Cyberbullying Awareness and Prevention Guide. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ken Mark M. Tuyo, and today I am going to talk about cyberbullying. As a high school student, I love playing online games. I enjoy it because I can meet new friends, play with different people, and have fun. But even if gaming is fun, I also see the bad side of the internet. One of the worst things is cyberbullying. This happens not only on Facebook or Messenger, but also inside the games we play. Cyberbullying is when someone uses the internet to make another person feel bad. It can be through social media, private messages, or in-game chat. It can happen anytime, even if you're just at home. I see this a lot in games. Players saying bad words to each other, blaming someone for losing, or making fun of a teammate. Some even create fake accounts just to bully. Cyberbullying can really hurt a person. The victim may feel sad, scared, or angry. Some lose confidence and don't want to play anymore. Others avoid talking to friends. It can also make it hard for them to focus on school. In very serious cases, it can cause depression or worse. The bully usually feels brave because they are hiding behind a screen. To stop cyberbullying, we all need help. Parents can talk to their children and remind them to be kind online. Schools can teach students about this problem and how to report it. Game companies can make better ways to block and report rude players. For me, it's simple. If it's not nice, don't say it. Whether in school, in social media, or in games. We should be kind. The internet should be for fun, learning, and friendship, not for hurting others. We can make it better if we all choose kindness.